Today we're gonna make this absolutely delicious breakfast pizza. To get started on making our breakfast pizza, first I preheated the oven to 425, and now we're gonna get all our ingredients. So first you're gonna need 1 pizza dough. Here I have pizza dough from our pizza place at the All-Star Cafe at Chelsea Piers, but you can also buy store-bought pizza dough. We have it here and it's ready to go. So before we roll that out, we're gonna get our ingredients. We have mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. I have some cooked bacon that I'm just gonna chop up quickly. We have our bacon ready. I'm just gonna put that right back here in the bowl. So our bacon's ready, and now we have a red pepper. So I'm just gonna do half the red pepper here. I'm gonna dice this. And then we're gonna do some green onion. I have some chives here too that we'll use for garnish, but for the green onion, I'm gonna chop this. We'll put this with our pepper. So now for our pizza dough. I'm gonna use for this breakfast pizza, doing it in a square baking dish, so this is kind of like pan pizza, but also because I like the lip, and my kids also like the thicker crust of the dough. So it's kind of like more like a Sicilian style, I guess. So we're gonna put a little flour down. Flour the top. So you're gonna stretch out your dough so that you can fit your pan. Okay, so look, I stretched out our pizza dough into a good square here. We'll just put a little flour down. And we're gonna transfer this to our baking sheet. Stretch it to the sides. Perfect. We did good here with our pan pizza. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little olive oil. Brush it down on the dough. So this is breakfast pizza. We're not gonna use sauce. We're making it more like, think about your breakfast sandwiches, bacon, egg, and cheese, and what would you put on that? So we put our olive oil first. Now I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle some first. Leave a little bit for the top. No, put all the mozzarella. Looks good. Cheddar. Okay, spread out the cheddar. Now we have our vegetables, onions, and peppers. And then we're gonna take our bacon. And now eggs. I'm gonna do them whole. Crack them. There we go. I'm gonna let them cook just like that. There we go. I'm gonna add 2 more eggs just because it's a nice big pizza. Perfect. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper to each one of the little eggs. Oops. A little pepper. And we're gonna pop this right in the oven. Look at that breakfast pizza. It looks amazing. So we're gonna cut this up. Look at this. Who said you can't have pizza any time of day? For this recipe and many others, check out my website, nikkigleckis.com.